Okay. So last week I did several videos about our 987 or $987 flat fee DSCR loan, which you can get it at 987dscrloans.com. And today I just want to run the numbers so that way you guys could see the potential for saving. So most borrowers will be paying about 1% broker fee for a DSCR loan. That's the average. Sometimes they pay higher. And what 1% means is you're paying 1% of the loan amount. So, for example, if your loan amount is about $500,000, 1% of that is $5,000. With our $987 flat fee mortgage, DSCR loan, you're saving about $4,000 there. All right. So that's $4,000 in your pocket. Okay. Now, don't get me wrong, you still have to pay all other fees like lender fee, appraisal fee, title fee, escrow fee. Those are your responsibilities. But for broker fee, all you're paying is $987, one flat fee. You could use the savings to pay for all those other rest of other fees like appraisal, we mentioned title, escrow, all that stuff. Okay. So if you look at side by side here, $5,000 compared to $987. Again, this is on a $500,000 loan, which is kind of typical here in California. All right. In other states, of course, the loan amounts are lower, but in California, it's basically somewhere around there. So you'll be saving about $4,000 on each transaction on average. Okay. So what can you do with that $4,000? If you just invest that 4% annually, you could see how your money grows every year. First year, you're making about $161. Third year, fifth year, and 10th year. Now, we don't think about it from that perspective, unfortunately, but it's your money and you should be aware of that. And you should be aware of the fact that you're able to save, especially if you're doing DSCR loan. Okay. The opportunity is there and the growth for your money is there as well. Now, here's the interesting part. Most investors they have more than one properties, more than one rental properties. So let's say if you did one $500,000 property, your saving was 4,000. Assuming you have three properties and you refinance each one with again with $500,000, your saving it's going to be around $14,000. Now you don't think about that, but that's a lot of money in your pocket rather than going to a different person. Okay, most people have to work like 2 or 3 months to make that much money. All right, so think about that. If you've got two, three, four, five rental properties and you want to do a refinance through a DSCR program, this is an awesome program for you. Okay, so if you're interested, book a 15-minute call with me and we can discuss each specific scenario. You can book it at 987dscrloans.com. Again, that's 987dscrloans.com. Thank you and have a great evening.